All right, let's sign up for a Wise business account. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Esatino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so I'm here on the Wise website, and you want to make sure to click on the business side of things, and that's this button right here. Next, there's a couple of places to get started with registering. You can click here, set up in minutes, or click register. I'll just click right here, and then they're going to ask for a work email address. Then click next. Next, they're going to ask you for your country of registration. Once you've inputted that, click continue. Next, they're going to ask you to verify your phone number. Click send verification code. All right, so I just got my code and I'm going to punch it in now. I'm going to click submit. Then you're going to want to create a password. Then click continue. All right, so you're going to want to fill in more of your business details. All right, so fill in all your details. All right, so next you're going to put in your registered address. Okay, after you've entered in your address, click continue. All right, so we're going to continue filling out our information. Okay, so now you need to confirm your trading address. If it's all good, click confirm. All right, one more time, click confirm. And it's going to ask here, what can we help your business do? So just go through this and click the ones that are applicable to you. All right, so we're going to click continue. So now you want to choose your plan here. You can go through and choose which one is the best for you. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to go with Get Essential Features. All right, so it's going to take you to this page where it's doing like a transaction, but we don't need to do that right now, so we're going to click X. Okay, so we're back at the home page here, and we want to make sure that we verify everything. So I'm going to click verify now. Okay, and what's the purpose for using Wise? We'll select an option here, click continue. So it's asking you who are the business owners. All right, once you've added everyone, click continue. All right, so now you have to read all these specifications and upload a business registration document. Make sure to go through each bullet point here and that you do have the appropriate document. Once you do, you're going to click select files, find the file, and then upload the files. Okay, after you've done that, click continue. Okay, so now we need to click the country, Canada, document type. Okay, so whatever document you chose, you just want to upload that. Okay, click continue. And then it says here, thanks, you're all done for now. Click finish. Okay, so there you go. You've created a Wise business account. They did say that if they need more information from you, that they will contact you via email. So if you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.